Thanks for joining us for this Hitch Trailers tutorial. This is our 8.5 by 24 Lark race trailer. It's 7 foot interior height, 030 screwless exterior, tandem 5,200 pound torsion axles with electric brakes and emergency breakaway, triple tube tongue, ATP Stepwell, upper and lower L-shaped cabinet, 48-inch side door with flush lock and bar lock, anodized trim on all corners, aluminum walls and ceiling, rubber tread plate floor, ATP rear ramp and flap, 50 amp electrical package with a 25 foot Lifeline, 2 Recepts, 2 500 watt Quartz lights, 2 12 volt rear loading lights, all LED light package, 3-inch top and bottom trim, exterior outlets and GFI, wired and braced for AC, 36 by 24 generator door, rolled cab with cast iron corners, one-piece roof, and so much more. This trailer is available only at Hitch in Northeast Oklahoma. Our phone number is 918-286-7900. Please call and talk to us about your next trailer. We want to earn your business. All inventory can be found at 918trailers.com. Find out why we are called Your Trailer Shop. We've been serving Tulsa with superior service and sales since 2011. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial.